Babs Coca.
No, good afternoon, Daddy Fred.
That just
You the last the Diala was Dr. Kayan home and I was not. Eberton on a baby, man, Yaman is show. No, don't bow. That the Crampedam came there. Mahama, I am Biala. Constitution permits the president view all those swearing in for the third time. Because the Mahama Kadaka mills if you want, or by a president, the term where we are. I mean, I can't comprehend. To me, it doesn't make sense. Number there, President Biala, over 2 terms, was swearing in twice. There's a Mahama Kadaka was swearing in for the third time. Fide, time I was swearing in after mills away. I am Biala, no could be a beer, okay, John Kade, Mwaha in the name of Atamilsa. Major in the person of John Mahama. They call in the person of First Lady. It's that's a management no reason. Fide Shasha, on is a dear Wabe president, only any profession. It's Wama, and Yamar or fair or fair for no word daman. Now, if you're professional, and if you want, at least if anything at home, but you're consultants. To look at consultancy fendi or the enagement. Only be it's a channel fit politics no or the name no the Mama ba one Ghana from a catchum first no be the cancer box offended 3 SHS 2 boss site no them and the family. Now third one wama NDC phone meant constitution no I know who they are a lifelong president of Ghana because in one of Musaka wazy. Next when you want why they were Ghana. And some Ghana for you careful. Now me to me feel the Ghana for was still support Mahama Yagdama Ghana for now. Sister want to one call for which Kabalan, one way at man. Sister school fees want to infirm by or to boost or to ye or do you know. A barry for happening in Allah. And the same work champion was support Mahama, ma otum or ya no baba council 3 SHS. So now each other waiting for one mobile discarco. No was I enjoy. And so that governor still was support Mahama. Now that's small okay, be so Nana Addo kade all die be die. Now you know you will be a you. It would be a you one kind of one community. If you malaria could be even can do amenzia oh well and stand the case do could. It would be a you with another that time in demonstration. Also would be a you what no it would be a you. Fever could be or you cancer. People could be a bibiala or you. If you can't change for the way and some people come out this I somewhere cado the million bacon. It's another academy. I don't work no call that the common sense all Ghana for a bimu afan or an infant. Mahamasi or you do or die. It's either by hook or crook. Or there or win. Now, Mama came with there. The election 2020. Ballot papers now all said majority, hundreds of thousands. No, your MP before. No, if you know there, it be equal. Not so. Nana Addo, not Mahama number 1. No, if the master mission poke singing for. No, if the people can work out to know, snitch Saturday. No, work we could vote time. All non dominant power last on your percentage. What is that? Now, Mahama will read ma equal cotton, ben evidence is okay. Evidence to me. Well, just to get to or what calculator or who baby alarm fanfa. It is okay when yeti. Now, since I am there, me this Mahama, one and why an NDC flag bearer for 2024. Bedem bisa. I know I self-imposed. It wasn't NDC for now. Conspiracy promo the far want to what kind you watch Mama Made all your comedies and Ghana. It's what your mama name but all your walk. One wish there, near intimate prompt in a day, very energy. Mama from day one, every aspect, every position of our politics, aids me in a lady. The people wouldn't go Guinness Book of Records because it's unprecedented. It means that. So, and you bring injury. Abazan age America caution. Abazin age America. My starting a campaign. Well, what to a baby. So, crumple as assistant president in Lucy. I could do in Lucy. Mamma, it's politics. I say. Now, this what the politics are. Enjoy their resign. Enjoy their resign. The sister and if you or they're quite beard. Like all me do this is a youth, majority were wise up. Na sa Ghana fool is an anado, sister lithium, na it was so until when I know why I discovered. Sa Ghana fool my zim and another funny and you may see. No, I mean people and do. May you may see ya. The Jimba call was and the Mahama but na dema. The bitches a Ghana woman don't go me. Sa Ghana for a mistake, no me and this what the power, just over Ghana don't go me. She then 2020 other nationals no Africa no this Ghana for the Abazi Ghana for. Well, this is what's wrong with you Ghanaians? The papers or something and your papori them. Not a multinational. It's a multinational. I like to focus what can it play? What's your pay for a number of name by Jiwazi? But Nana dream nade Ghana for. It's more the Ghana for the more tiny slavery. The piano was on Gosum. One penny when you offer they don't want liberty, slavery. Then when we do so, yeah, Macron, Madame Namda Ghana, 21st century, or your manna, a Japanese awarded, or Botumpu, Shayana, washing you. It's one position and another.
Your friend or your friend, watch out.
School fees, one more boy, no shame debut. Baby gala, or Shayan and I do. You daddy come.
That's a Babsco car, I will UK, and I'm attaining cannot.
Mamma, because it should be. Mama Nora no saying why desperate. Another way would say, Nana this from one pedal one ped that was I was in the deal. Into more by your back a cancer man. Graffuba would then you are more sour baby, no good enough or yet. Na awada Ghana funara nkasa so yebue yenwa nzama warrior wanyana pem awe to na ebomu da na ado oban na da me no tse mama wo hono ma no tsinyi na ado mo wa yenyi na oye mo wada wo mba no nyina wo ruko school free nsu owo jai wo numbi light nyina wo numbi ni nyina na echi no wo mu da na ado wa ye ibinu wo wa won dwen de onyinda no wo china Sende nyebia ochina obeye yamo ono no aye me MPP funi bebre wadwe da me nto ma me MP me nyadam mo nam dam abadam nam gidi dam esi wo be feme esuade na wasesa wadwe no wagina wana mo do no bebia woten impuntu abakon ono na ebohwo na ato waba na ye mampanyi na wapa na papa kufuo ka de hwe wasitinem na to waba so wala etwo ma wo fishing kwa store kakra ye light of more say me sende e wo light na dere ye e ice water e kon da no wala tena se na hwe wasitim na to papa o captain smart de aba abu anu de sana den yo tim na apprentice mama na apprentice ni bi ni fia no ye jam o di man mo otimi bi nto o sha si do ro na do na aba abnale ni pan ka chende na meta on hwe ye nti ono mbo ye no ye bebi a otse a odi hwahwa no na atweruwa na dachi ebom ne tintin so ye meda so bi na obu anu mo si a ori dede debi ameka de se Ghana obokodo a ana ijaboto Ghana ma no fi journalist a wogu radio stations a wore ye nti emimi to YouTube bebre wo wa mara me hwe kra o sanda wanda mayen obokuro in the day obi or besie bi or news or justify Guinea besio oye ne dede ku we sigan Guinea na ne yema nchebiri bagana da mara besia satina radio station na keka dama ina ye no oye me dawo de journalists a war cancer pa wo ye djuma papa na ado or shon ne nyam in the day me adoma kochil so wa ye chairman wo port say e ko baby airport into obiara ne ndwuma power ya ma my Ghana obenya ne dua ketua no wona wo ye bon so wenyi mbogu ase papa won kodo na wonye na MPP funu so won hwe ye na wo kasa na won zama ye no won ye no won toto wonya ma ye amambrudu wa won afunu ni party dem 2008 won mama won funu ma MPP disifo wosa wo boto ade wo twen no wodi kon echire Manato.
All right, you know, bye bye. Yankohana, Yankofa in your baby.
Yamea Adoma Kufobe, yeah, President, Daddy Fred. Hello, Daddy Fred. Good evening. We are about your food. I make us a free party. Hope somebody. Nana no na me question na me de Emma Ken se me de mesre no ahemfo sem no. Omo momodin asa ahemfo no wo ton sase no wo mu esisi nipa di nsem hu no. Esisi ye bring sankrofo ni nyina to book. Na fe yemra ene de no so. Daddy Fred. And some na wo ka che MPP for no de ne kan no waka no. So what do we need to for more? What's me won say fit say ye to abani wie na Mahama wo share ne campaign ase for 2024. Daddy, e was sekwen bia so eniema pa na na do ye no yetimi bo hu dahuru. MPP for na so wo mutimi pe nkrofo bo hu dahuru. Daddy Fred say de me hu niema no na na do ye adwuma no o ma hwe ye a Mahama de atro. Na so ya Ghana for the say ye come tro ne gu o madwiri na na ekọ o mutim na hira nka nyame say die nyame aka no eye de ya ebebem. Daddy Fred NDC die ekwa bia so se nyame ti ase ne enso ye kra ti ase yi. Mahama the president die boni e wo papa ni tirimu a o pe kwa ya ba be ye no edo so dodo. What's the sister? Can you come on Kwalankat and Kitty Miami and way? About what you did doing out of the table today. Papa, he has no shame, eh? Really, Mahama, he has no shame.
Asem no na waboso no was say I said bibia enyana yi I am very serious na yenko na afi yenko tie yenwi kram se menwi ne de no kra yenko adwo afodwo
nyame ya adoma akofo be ye president Daddy Fred she eniema akofo ye wo Ghana she niema papa enne ye ka asoma ye bo papa yi di mfra ena asem bia ne wa ye ka no Ghana ye for president kofo di ememu enso Ghana for de ensemu hunu ene atoro etimi to abeti a MPP she said the NDC for the Ghana say ye 12 good years no me no how any amani e ka wo man Mahama dia nkwa na wo pe e na wo pe enti wo mmerai Ghana nkwa nya wo dia wate Ghana nkwa enye wo dia Bible say no men can the order ne ho de na no keka busu se medugu o man so all die be die you go first in Jesus name.
Juba the emotional live for YouTube, the announcer newspaper, so Facebook, the announcer newspaper, so the emotional live messages be brave ha. Yababoni na very good. Yababoni na mamahu na musimahu said the ACT. Na and some of course no a very important pa anti sabe pepe na 1 second pe. Na yenyina yehu enema ewo se yadwenkyere ewo se yekere no ehia ade beboa ama oman Ghana etumpon eno ho asem na yenyina yeka ura Mahama do or die na yi awo ka no sabe ebebere se nka omomodin na onkofa ne man ni kan na ne yere to aso ansa na ono aso abeto aso eno na ebeboa na bibia tumpon kama sesa na ope no a yenko tie audio we so na yenhwe de ekoso
Dr. Fred, good afternoon. Dr. Fred, just to contribute to the program. Right. I would normally look at the issues from a non-partisan point of view. And then, the issue Anama Amaka say do or die after the coming to 2024 election. I created some misunderstanding. I find it very, very strange because Muma fair. Me say Waka say Akufo-Addo, I'm sorry, Nana Addo, also so all during his campaign, also can all die be die during his campaign. But yes, and then we are not being fair both candidate. I mean, both Mahama and Akufo-Addo. Because Akufo-Addo clearly also said, all that be die in the election. And if Mahama is also saying, say, coming election is going to be do or die, meaning what the problem is, because do or die is an idiomatic expression, which simply means that we'll do everything necessary to win. And of course, if you are going to a competition, your aim is to win. So, and in your video, you clearly he clearly explained his situation. To me, how we can construe that to mean say is inciting the public, when somebody clearly also said all that be die in during the election campaign period. So, Mumanya a little bit fair to both sides. And otherwise, then we are trying to lambast one person, whereas the other person also said something which even all that be die is a jargon clearly, but do or die is an English idiomatic expression, which means the one point which also we mentioned are very crucial is that the MPP communication team must demonstrate. We want to see what Nana Addo is doing. I mean, I hear he's doing this, he's commissioning this and that, but we want to see that projects now are commissioning, they are working, they are productive, So it would be a who say one district, one factory is working. We want to see that the factories are open, the factories, they have employed people are working, and so that we can believe. So that we can believe, say, near Omokana and Jumana government, they are in progress, they are productive, so that we can also believe, say, the guy is doing something. Because I said, then we are not, the MPP camp, the communication team must work hard to show, to showcase all the good things that they are doing to improve the lots of Ghanaians.
Edawase Ima, Edawase Pa.